Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my 5 a.m. makeup routine. It's going to be a very minimal makeup, but I do work for a small-ish corporation and I need to look representable. But I don't have a lot of time to get ready. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm going to use a primer first, and for that I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lumic Lotion. This gives my skin a really nice glow under the foundation, and it almost makes me look more alive. Let me zoom you guys in. I love this drugstore product. By the way, most of the products I'm going to use are drugstore, so that's that. For my foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match foundation. Let's blend that with my beauty blender. I would love to hear in the comments how you guys get ready. For my concealer, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula. I like this concealer. A little bit of it goes a long way, and it brightens up my under eyes really nicely. Like, it makes me look awake. And it has a very thin texture. I recently posted a video about how to balance work and life, and I mentioned in that video that I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning and I commute to work for 2 hours. Please watch that video and leave comments about your work schedule and how you commute to work, what you do, or if you like that content, please give it a thumbs up and support my channel by subscribing. For my bronzer, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula. I love the tone of this bronzer, and I'm using my Bobbi Brown bronzer brush. This is a very quick makeup, guys, but you'll see that I will look at the end of it representable. Let's do the brows really quick with my Essence Brow Tint. I love this product. It doesn't pick up a lot of product, and I don't like to spend too much time with my brows. Honestly, who does? It just gives them a nice tint, and that's that. I'm going to take a crease brush and dip into my bronzer and just put this on my crease. Now with my Fenty highlighter, I'm going to take a shader brush and put some of this on my lid. I'm not mentioning the shades I'm using, but if you want to know if you're close to my skin tone or something, just leave a comment and I will let you know the shades and the products that I'm using. Now this is an important step. I'm going to take my highlighter and put it in my inner corner with a pencil brush. Let's take some of this highlighter and put it... My camera died in the middle of filming, but we're back. Let's apply this highlighter. Now I'm going to use some mascara. Mascara makes a lot of difference. Okay, we're almost done. I'm going to apply my blush. To seem awake, I usually choose red tones or pink tones or peach tones. Now the last thing I'm going to do is use a lip stain, and this is from Wet n Wild. I don't think there's a shade for it. I do use a lip stain because I can't put lipstick on constantly at work, so I just use a lip stain. It's a better choice for me. And we have come to the end of this video. This was my 10-15 minute makeup to get ready in the mornings at 5 a.m. And I do look, I think, pretty awake, don't I? Alright guys, let me know if you like this kind of content, and let me know how your morning routine is and what products you use, your number one products, essential products that you use to get ready in the mornings. I would love to hear that in the comments below. Thank you for watching.